short hair. Now for what you mix your gel with, what will mix the gel with is this stuff called starch. Okay, for it to last. If you do the style with just your gel, it's not gonna last. But if you do it with this gold starch, it's gonna last you like three to one month. It's gonna last for 1 month, okay, because of the starch. Now for the short hair, it's still the same pattern, but the short hair is more of molding. Okay, for the short hair, I think is not rolling. You mold it. That's the word. Yeah, you mold it while you're just using your